Hey guys, welcome back. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different vlog because my mom just brought us some stuff. She always buys us stuff when she gets paid, like groceries and stuff, certain things for my daughter. And then I do have a doctor's appointment today. Not a dentist appointment. I'm getting a tooth fixed. Okay, this cannot just be me, but the fact that, you know, insurance only covers 80%, so we still have to pay a lot out of pocket. We have it in our savings. It's just the fact that it's not for something, I mean, it's something important, but the fact that it's not for, in my, I don't know, the fact that it's gonna be wasted for me, I don't know, my anxiety is like on 5,000 because of it. And my husband's like, babe, you need it. I know, but the guilt is real. And since I'm not working, the guilt is really real. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my mom brought, and then we're gonna clean up this room because I do have a makeup appointment tomorrow. So the milk me and my daughter drinks, some celery, bread. My daughter likes that one. My husband and I like this one, broccoli and her juice. Simple, quick. But if you guys know, things are expensive, so we're grateful for that. All right, so normally I don't have a mess on the floor, but since we actually switched out our sofas and we also sold a little compartment that I used to have there, there was a mess everywhere, so I had to go ahead and clean it up. You know, when you are fixing and cleaning one room, you end up messing up another. My makeup room was the product of that this time around, but I'm just wiping everything down. I always Clorox wipe the table, of course, and the chair where the client is going to sit, to make sure everything is nice and sanitary. And since I knew she was bringing her daughter, just in case, I wanted to make sure everything else was clean as well, in case, you know, she crawled around or anything like that. Alright guys, so I don't have time to eat. My husband just got here and I'm about to just quickly change and head out. My daughter just went in the back with my mom, so hopefully she'll be okay. I made her food though. Yeah, I hate dentists, so, well, this is pre-recorded, so wish me luck anyways. Alright guys, here I am at the dentist's office, and you guys, this dentist is amazing because I did not feel anything whatsoever, and then even when they put the shots to numb my face, so yeah, amazing. Alright, so my face is numb, but they did half of the root canal and the other half they're gonna do next week. But yeah, so then the next one's gonna be this one, root canal. That was a failure, so this is fun. I hate this for me. Hey guys, I still have to do my hair, but it's the next day. I am in no pain with the root canal. This doctor, I swear, has like magic touch, because for my last root canal I was totally in pain and it failed. So and that was supposed to be a specialist. Anyways, yeah, I'm like in no pain. I am taking amoxicillin. I cannot say the damn word. It's an antibiotic, but it says they all told me it's safe. While nursing, I told them I'm only really nursing a little bit at night, and if she can't sleep, she calls me. So, that's it. So my mom bought me Benadryl and she told me not to take it until she was here, so I just took it, and yeah, we'll see. She's like, if you feel anything, let me know, because I guess I had a really bad reaction when I was a baby. Anyways, I have a makeup appointment today. I'm not gonna film the appointment because privacy, her privacy, and she's also bringing her daughter, so big privacy. She's only 8 months, so I'm not gonna show that. I might post pictures on Instagram of her with her makeup, and her daughter if she wants me to. If not, I completely 1000% understand. Always has consent before you show anybody else's child on social media. I personally do not like showing my baby, as you guys know, so yeah, I am very, 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 very much on privacy and asking consent. She just texted me that she's actually on her way, but she'll be here in like 20 minutes. I have water for myself. I do have to do the mouthwash. It was prescribed from the doctor. And then finish my coffee before I brush my teeth and do the mouthwash. yeah, I literally said don't brush your teeth in the morning. It said eat everything you're gonna eat and then brush your teeth and do the mouthwash. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know if I should even do anything to my hair. I have it in braids right now. I might just kind of put it down. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. You guys are probably why you're wearing long sleeves. It's summer. It is super hot outside. I just feel like all black looks so much more professional. That's like a smudge right there. Than me, you know, wearing anything else. And I didn't want to wear short sleeves because this morning my house was freezing because my husband blasted the air. I was like, babe, is that gonna be like 87 to like noon? And it's not even 11 yet. So yeah, anyways, let me go fix my hair and yeah. All right, makeup application done. I did her hair and makeup. So and now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. All right, and now this is a beautiful mess after every single appointment. So I am cleaning. I actually Clorox wipe everything I use and sanitize everything, and I put it all away right away. I don't like it sitting around. So I'm cleaning everything off, and then I am going to clean my brushes as well to make sure everything is nice and clean. I have a nice clean slate for whenever I do have another appointment. I'm always so grateful every time I have an appointment, since this isn't something I do full time. All right, so now everything is nice and cleaned. My baby is outside and my husband just got home and I didn't know. We are going to my sister-in-law's house, maybe going in the pool. We will see. Yeah. I have to get my daughter ready though. Let me quickly show you guys a little bathing suit. My husband says it's totally not age appropriate. I just thought it was cute. I'm like, it's just us, but you know, a dad would be a dad. So let me quickly show you what it looks like. I got it from Shein. So it's so cute. It's the 3-set a bikini and the little thing on top, and then Playa del Carmen, my sister-in-law brought us that bag for her. But yeah, I already have a change of clothes for her. I got her little bluey pajamas to change into, her sunblock, my sunblock, and then her lotion and 4 pool diapers. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm getting it yet. I have to go get my bathing suit upstairs. Sometimes I like getting in and sometimes I just, I don't know. I'm a little weird. I miss being in the pool all the time like I used to though when I was a kid. But she is so happy her daddy's home. All right guys, I am home. I'm about to take a shower. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Yeah, I appreciate every comment, every like, and every single subscriber, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.